There's my dough that has been in the fridge, thanks to Zainab giving me that idea to put it in the fridge. And I just have a piece of wet paper over it so that it doesn't dry out. And maybe I should have, like take some ball size off it and spread them out, but that's why I'm doing it. It's fine. So I have my dough here, which was in the fridge sitting, made from chapatti flour, and I have my rolling pin doughs, and then over here yes people, so if you can see my roti being made, and to make it flaky, this is what I do. Just turn on each side like this, and then just roll it in a ball like this. Thanks to the guys from Tanzania who I got this style from. See, just like that. And I'm back on the move. On this, but Zainab said make sure the fire is hot, so I just heated up the fire a little bit more. Yep, I can only do one people because I'm a one-man filming ban at the moment, filming with the phone. Tricky situation. Flip it now people, just like that. You can actually see it looks flaky and soft. Alright people, welcome back to my channel. Channel here from Exploration, in the kitchen today doing some roti. So as I was saying, you have to make sure the pot is really hot. Straight in the camera, just lean. If it is not, your leans are. If we don't film all these things, we should just film here. Can you just come and hold it down like this? So when the roti is rising like this, come and show them.
There's a group that I can move up.
When it's rising like this, it's time to turn it. That's just the perfect circle, people. Even though most Indian ladies and Pakistanis and roti experts will get it in a perfect circle. And to be honest, most of mine are perfect circles. Show them Zara. But as you can see, this one is not a perfect circle. is nice and hot. The roti pot. Can't remember what your mother called it. I think she called it something like palwa. If I'm wrong, then please forgive me. A bit of oil. Drop the roti on. Wait for it to fluff up. And I did the last one. I'm sure the last ones are. Last roti here, people. Last door. Sorry I didn't get to show you from the beginning how to do the dough and everything else. But at least you got some of it, people. And then just like this. Sure, there's other ways you can do it as well to make it flaky, and then just wrap it around. You just stick the end in the middle and press down a bit. That one on the fire, I need a bit of turning. Come on, let's turn it. So it doesn't burn. Drop a comment. And what else? What else do they need to do again, Joy? Watch, press like and do what? Quality, zoom into here.
I zoomed into that.
Quality may not be good. Sorry people, the light wasn't on.
Positive about that is the Paramount Cup draw will be ongoing at 7 o'clock as well. So we'll be live at 7. Take care everyone, stay safe, and I'll speak to you on the next one.
If you're wondering what's that sound in the background, people, Manchester United podcast, the United Stand. Go and check them out if you're a United supporter. I'll have to adapt Tottenham as my London team, even though it was Crystal Palace before. And then we're done. Just have to go get these children freshened up. It's not boiling up like yesterday. Nevertheless, we need to think what our mission will be today. Isn't it, Madam? Yesterday we did swimming, but your body was so cold, huh? Come on. my daughter's going to do the last one, people. Come on, Madame Padam. Use that and use the spoon to help it to turn it over. Can you see it start swelling up a little bit?
Oh, it's hot.
Use the tip of the spoon, Zara.
It's hot.
Oops, sorry, people.
Which way is my mental?
It doesn't matter which way. Try and turn it. Hold it further down, Zara. Come on, you can turn that. Learn to do things. 1, 2, 3, flip it over. 1, 2, 3, flip. Quick, Zara.
It will burn, and it's not my fault.
Flip over.
It's sliding
Up.
away.
Up a bit more and then flip.
It's sliding away. I cannot do this.
Look, watch. Under, up, turn. It took so long to flip it that it's starting to burn. Here you go, because you're gonna have to flip it again. Hope you saw how your dad did it. With the practice things, you can get better at it. So we're gonna put some oil, the last drizzle of oil. Rub it all around. Good girl. Give it another flip over. Remember, all the way under, up, and then turn like a gymnastic move. Up, all the way up, turn, flip.
That's good.
Flip, Zara.
It's falling down.
Little bit higher up, Zara. Now turn the roti around. Flip it over. There you go. Fantastic. You make this. Well done. See, you can do it.
Now what?
Top this side, Zara. Make sure it's okay. Not like that, like this. Look. Give it another flip.
I just...
All the way up. Then flip. Like you did before.
The thing is gonna...
It's alright. Look, put it under properly. Put it under properly, like this. And then flip over. Here you go. Hold it properly. Hold the thing properly.
Okay.
Look. Up. Turn. Up. Turn. Here you go.
So...
Up. Come on. Up. Turn. There you go. Yes. Was that a fluke or did you do it properly? Let's check. Up. Turn. It wasn't a fluke, people. She actually did it. So well done, my lovely, lovely girl. Excellent. Okay, so she's doing her roti.
Okay.
Turn off the fire. That one is finished. Move the spoon.
That one?
Put it on the plate. Move the spoon. Okay, people. Just like that, we have made quite a few rotis here. Lasts us a day or two. We're going to be eating with spinach or sag, and also with some beans cooked in coconut and tomatoes, which is a Tanzanian dish known as Rajma, and Maharaghwa, and Indians call it Rajma. That's this. If you're from Tanzania and I pronounce that wrong, just let me know. But I think they call it Maharaghwa, i.e. Rajma. It's gonna be served with some nice roti, and the roti is soft, flaky, and no doubt tasty. Chapatti, i.e. roti, my style. Please remember to give the video a like, share, and subscribe, people. Alright, gonna get the kids ready and enjoy this. So see you in the next one. Peace out for now from Iron Man's Kitchen.